This is part 3 of the pre-purchase used car inspection. This is the condensed version of it. This is not the long, drawn-out version of it. This is a very short version of it, but it gets straight to the point. One of the things I look for if the hood is completely equal on both sides. That's telling me about an accident. I also look at the door. If the door is completely equal, do they make any noise? The answer is no. Equal? The answer is no. Are they equal? Yes. Any issues? The answer is no. Is this equal? Yes. The answer is no with any issues. And also right here, I look for this is equal all the way around. It also has matching Goodyear tires, which tells me a lot. A lot of places do mismatch. We're going to be taking the test drive very soon. And like I said, I have the customers here. This is a short, condensed version of a pre-purchase used car inspection. This is not a long, drawn-out version. So I'm breaking it down in parts. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share this video about pre-purchase used car inspections. Thank you.